In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an About section to your LinkedIn profile. Whether you're updating your professional identity, trying to make a stronger first impression, or you simply want to highlight your skills and experience more clearly, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your LinkedIn profile and make sure you're logged in. Once you're on the home page, click on your profile picture at the top and select View Profile. This will take you straight to your personal profile page. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, look for the button that says Add Profile Section. You'll find it near the top of your profile. Go ahead and click on it. A small menu will appear with different categories. Under the Core section, you'll see an option labeled About. Click on it, and LinkedIn will open a text box where you can begin writing your About section. This is where you get to tell your story. You can talk about what you do, your experience, your goals, your achievements, or even what motivates you. Remember, this section gives employers and professionals a quick snapshot of who you are, so write something meaningful, honest, and professional. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your About section includes your key skills, the industries you're familiar with, and any value you bring to your workplace or clients. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary rewrites. Once you've written your About content, click on Save. After saving, scroll through your profile to double-check how everything looks. You should now see the About section displayed clearly on your profile right under your headline. It's also a good idea to revisit this section from time to time to keep it updated, especially whenever you gain new skills or experiences. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to add an About section in LinkedIn easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?